8:26 is the time. Welcome back. It's Sunday, so that means it's time for another featured creature, Bill.
Yeah, and with all the seriousness of things going on, this is a little lighter for us here, you know, because
and cute.
Dakota Casteel's cute enough, but I mean, today's episode features one tortoise. It radiates in color. Dakota Casteel tells us more on this colorful tortoise that's housed at the Tennessee Aquarium.
This week's featured creature hails from Madagascar. It's known perhaps too well for its radiating coloration.
So today I'm really excited to show you guys the radiated tortoises. Radiated tortoises are known for being so beautiful because they have bright yellow bodies and they have those beautiful brown shells with a radiating yellow pattern that radiates out from each of their scutes. So it's a very star bright pattern. Underneath the sunlight, when they're well hydrated, those shells just shine and they're gorgeous. They also are known to have a little black patch on the back of their heads, but it ranges in size and shape, but they have bright yellow bodies and they're just really, really beautiful.
How old and how big are the tortoises we have here today?
In here we have two. We have a male and a female. So we have Grumpy and Castellano, and they're both 31 years old, and they both weigh about 25 pounds-ish, which is about full grown. They can live to about 50 years old, so not as long as some tortoise species, but they can live quite a long time. I think the oldest one on record was 100 and something years for a radiated, which is a long time.
Can tortoises in general feel physical touches on their shells?
These guys have nerve endings in their shells. They actually have nerve endings and blood vessels that go to their shells, so a lot of people think they wouldn't be able to feel their shells, but they can, and they actually have a lot of sensation in there, and they tend to seek out sensations on their shells.
What kind of environment can these guys be found in?
Radiated tortoises are found naturally alongside ringtail lemurs down in the spiny forests of southern Madagascar. So they prefer dry, desert, shrubby-like lands, and they eat a lot of cactuses and a lot of leafy greens when they can find them.
Do radiated tortoises also belong in that long list of animals that are endangered in Madagascar?
These guys are critically endangered. Unfortunately, their numbers are dropping so drastically thanks to human encroachment. They're actually a huge target because they are so beautiful with that yellow star pattern on their shells. They sell them in the pet trade, they harvest them to eat their meat, they also sell them to make trinkets. So it's thought that in as little as 45 years they could be completely gone from Madagascar, and then that would be it.
The natives of Madagascar believe these tortoises bring the rain because they do a silly dance when water hits their shells. For this week's featured creature, I'm Dakota Casteel.
A little silly dance.
That's what happens when you scratch my shell like they do that, you know?
You do a little funny dance, Bill?
Yeah, it feels good. Anyway.
All right, well, you can find that in our featured creature section on NewsChannel9.com.
Yeah, check it out.